Hi there, you're watching Swas Tech videos, and in this video I have got your health expert. Yes, indeed you heard me right. It's called Dozee. Also watch complete video to participate in this giveaway. This Dozee is a health tracking device and you need not to wear it on your body throughout the day or even at night. Isn't that awesome? This majestic work is achieved by an Indian startup. These devices are being used in many hospitals to take care of patients being admitted. Now moving on to the unboxing of this Dozee device. First of all, we see that this contains Dozee device with transparent panel containing LED lights. It has two cables, one is connected to the power adapter and the other one is connected to the sensor sheet or mat. Mat is also connected with device which contains non-contact sensors, and hence you don't have to place it on your body or you have to wear it. It's not like that. This device is able to sense each and everything while you lay over it and sleep. First of all, we also see a user manual provided in it. And in this COVID times, we also get a N95 mask, which is a bonus. You also get 1 year warranty on this device. Basically, the user manual conveys the details of how you can download the app. The app is already available on Google Play Store or even on Apple App Store. You have to just download it and enter your details like your age, height and weight. Also, you need to pair the device via Bluetooth to your phone and connect Wi-Fi. In this COVID times, oxygen levels in your body indicates your health status against coronavirus. So SpO2 level indicator is an optional thing which is given here via pulse oximeter sensor, and you can use it or skip it, but if you're using this Dozee device, I recommend you to use it while you sleep. This device has got higher accuracy when compared to smart bands since it tracks your heart and lungs directly and not via your wrists like other smartwatches. If I talk about the pricing of this device, it is priced at 9999, that is 10,000 Indian rupees. But on online websites like Amazon, you can get this device for around 7500 Indian rupees, which is close to around $100 US. Also, for participating in this giveaway, you need to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, press the bell icon, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. It does help the channel. And also you need to answer a question, that is how this device can help you, so that I can identify which one is the best comment and award this Dozee device to him or her. You just need to place this sensor sheet under your mattress. Make sure that Dozee branding is on the upper side, and you place the sheet in that position where when you lay over it, your heart and lungs should lie exactly over the sensor sheet for accurate measurements. You get to know many reports such as your sleep score, how much time you slept, what was the quality of your sleep. You get to know that how many times your heart beats per minute, and similarly you can also know the pattern of your heartbeat. When was it beating fast or slow? And if it was beating fast, so for what duration? Similarly, you can also see the reports of your lungs, like how many times you breathe in and out per minute. Were you breathing fast or normal? You can also see reports in graphical representation like the ones you have seen in ECG reports. That is very useful. Combining the two reports, the app calculates your stress level. You can share this live data of yours with anyone like family members or doctors. Old people living alone can share this data with children living abroad or far away. It's a medical fact that people prior to heart attack or asthmatic attacks, they have irregular heart beating and irregular or fast beating from last 5 to 6 days prior to heart attack. In such case, this device has proved to be a lifesaver by alerting the users about bad reports so that they can take medical consultation and avoid any health crisis. You can save emergency situations, hospitalization, your life, and at the same time you can save lakhs of money of treatment and other costs. by just monitoring your health on daily basis via this Dozee app. Also, I'll be announcing the giveaway results on 25,000 views on this video, so keep sharing. And this is Swastik signing off. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, peace out.